In this video, let's talk about how to fix Google Drive cannot upload. If you're trying to upload photos and videos or files to your Google Drive, and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do in these situations is try to switch your network. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. If this is not the case for you, and if this first step did not work for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear out the Google Drive app cache. So within the Google Drive application, tap on the hamburger menu on the top left, head over to settings, and right here you'll be able to see the option called clear cache. Just tap on this option and then tap on OK. Once you complete this step, make sure you force close the application. So make sure you remove the app off the drive from the preset app list and try to see if you can now upload the files. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. This is likely due to app bugs or the glitches on your device. So in this situation, what you can do is just head over to the Play Store. If you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. Also, make sure you restart your device just in case your phone may be glitching. So once you complete these few steps, you should be able to fix the Google Drive cannot upload issue. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.